If you've never owned a serger before, I'm going to give you just a few things you need to get started. This is the Pfaff Admire Air 5000 serger. It's an air jet threaded serger and I love it. It's fast, it's quiet, but there are some things to learn how to do. That's what these videos are all about. You can find them all over at sewingmastery.com. These videos are great because if you are looking to buy this serger, you could see what it's capable of doing and then make a very knowledgeable decision if this is the right one for you. Or if you've already bought it and you know you're not using it to its fullest potential. The other thing I want you to check out below this YouTube video are links to some of my favorite Bluprint online classes, and one of them happens to be mine that I did on sergers, and it's called Serger Solutions Troubleshooting Techniques. It's over a 2-hour class where you'll learn even more things about your serger. So definitely hop over there, especially if you're already a Bluprint member. That class is free for you, or you can jump in and see what it's all about. Next, in my class, I always recommend new students try out all the sewing techniques that they're working through with 4 different colors of thread. So this is going to be on my yellow tension, my blue tension, my green, and my red. So as I look or change something, I can see which one it's actually doing. So if the red changes and looks different now, I can see what that stitch and that area is actually producing, helping you troubleshoot a little bit. For threads, you're going to find with a serger having a set of white threads, 4 whites, and then 4 darks is quite handy. 4 darks, so they don't have to be all black. You might mix it up with some navy or some chocolate and black and maybe some charcoal, so you can mix those all the way up. And I'm also going to show you when you are stitching which thread truly matters, which one needs to match with your fabric. And I will tell you my secret where you don't have to buy an entire spool of that weird color you know you're never going to use ever again. But for getting started, let's use quality serger thread. That's going to make a difference too. And so treat yourself to some new quality thread and start with 4 different colors. Are you ready? Let's get started.